Instagram video not playing problem solved. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem that is you can't play a video on Instagram. You are facing a problem for Instagram. So before starting the videos, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So guys, first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply check whether after going to your Google Play Store, you have to first of all you have to go to Google Play Store, and then here you have to search for Instagram, and then you have to check whether your Instagram is asking for an update or not. So here you can see they are asking for an update. So what you need to do, simply you have to click on update, and it will take a few moments to download it. So you have to update this first. So it has been updating. So now can you please subscribe to the channel so that I will be motivated and bring up more informative videos every day. So guys, you can see here it's done, so you can just try it out. I hope this will absolutely help you out. So guys, even if this things doesn't work out, then what you need to do, you have to simply go to your phone settings here, and after going to your phone settings, you have to scroll down your screen, and then you have to search for your app manager or app management or install app. So in most of the phone it will be on the bar, and in some phone there will be a more setting. You have to press the more setting and you'll get the application manager option. So just simply click here, and then you have to click on list. So here you can see I will find this will be the application that has been installed to your phone. So here you have to search for Instagram. So let me just search for Instagram here. So now this is my Instagram. So first of all, what you need to do, you can see here force stop button. Simply click on the force stop button, and then you have to stop the force. Now the second thing what you have to do, you can see here storage usage. So you have to click on storage usage, and then you have to clear the cache here. So after clearing the cache, after that you have to click on clear data, and then you have to clear all the data. Now guys, after this you have to scroll down, and here you will find an option permission. So guys, here you have to allow all the permission that has been asked to you. So let me allow all the permission. So guys, it's done. So now just go back and you can check it out whether it is working or not. So guys, I hope this video will help you out. And guys, the last additional method is that you have to, if the solution doesn't work, then what you have to do, you have to uninstall your application and reinstall it, and you have to restart your phone, and you can check it out whether it is working or not. I hope this video will help you out, and also don't forget to hit that like button if you like the video. See you soon on the next video.